addicted, bro. Here I go again, picking up this fishing pole, cruising by the water on the hunt for Britons. I'm having the baddest withdrawals, I'll crash if I don't get my dose. Yo, this cash balance is my body's chemicals. This plug is like a drone. That pull is so medicinal. Call it pitiful, I left the wife and kids at home. 1 in the morning, I'm itching, sitting on this skiff alone. I need a hit to get my fix, I'm so addicted, bro. I'm hyped when that index releases from the line, and the crack and the flex of the spine sends the lure flying. I'm alive. Something.
All right, I'm not gonna do it this time, but all right, what's up, guys? Dang it.
I already got the intro.
Oh, well, what's up, guys? So anyway, today we're just out here fishing in Duck Creek. So we're gonna see if we can't catch some nice channels, and they're trying for some bass already. So yeah, follow along and see what happens. Down, and we're going to our hole, honey.
Me and Janet.
Going to our honey hole. My grandpa only uses 1 yard.
Dude, my grandpa owns a musky lunch company.
Does he?
He makes musky lunch.
Marissa, get your rod out. Throw a bunch of fat on that motherfucker.
Watch your
That's what I'm
mouth.
about to do. Fuck these bass.
Watch your
Crap
mouth.
bass.
Chill out.
Crap these bass.
Yeah, you gotta say crap and poop and butt.
I fucked my shitty crap.
Wow. That's too many.
Dude, if I get stolen, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed.
The one on front of the boat.
Is it up there? I thought that was Trevor's camera bag. Tyler, can you grab my camera bag?
Here, wait. Is it this? No, this is Trevor's camera bag.
I was gonna cry.
You actually thought.
You don't even know, dude. You weren't even born when I was around.
Oh, really? Tell that to your zombie survival videos.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in a milkmaid dress. You don't even know where to begin. You ain't never caught a fish in your goddamn life.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Catch one, I bet you won't.
I bet I will.
I'm catching all the fish tonight. You guys aren't even gonna be able to feel bad for me tonight. I got the crappie.
Did you get a crappie, Kobe?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a 52 incher.
Yeah, dude.
No, he's probably like
13.
2.
You got a kitty fish?
Yep.
Actually?
Yep.
Dang, dude.
Oh, he's got me in a tree, though.
We should probably get the net.
Oh. The net's right there. Watch the worms behind you in the knife.
Get him.
How do I?
You push the button and you slide it. Dude, you are very uncoordinated. I don't
He's
understand.
fighting pretty good for a little guy. Oh yeah. He's burying that head in.
They fight really good.
That's a nice one too.
Kobe, you don't pick up the net like that, dude.
Trevor, just because you bought a $5 net,
Thanks,
Dude.
Thanks for the net job.
we doubled up. You're welcome.
Nice one.
I should probably watch this thing. This thing's gonna go overboard.
We're gonna catch 120 in an hour and beat the record.
I want to catch 120
Where's
crappie.
that stringer?
The stringo? The
We could
stringo?
put him. I mean, there's no fish in the live well. We could put him in there.
No, he's too big.
Is it?
He's a state rep.
Here's a stringo.
Trevor, you want to fill that live well?
Do what?
Fill the live well.
He did.
Is it plug at the bottom of the live well?
Tag in.
I don't know.
Tag in, poked him in the eye, turned his head. Boom.
Yeah, we're good. Wow. We're gonna just go ahead and close that. He get you?
Where are those fish grips? Damn. He lurched on me. Good.
He did. He needs to bleed.
That actually scared me. He started rolling and he just had just barely my thumb.
you're like, I want to catch a crappie, bam!
If you guys want to move that seat and put it down, you can if you want to stand up there.
Can you hear the catfish part?
We should probably figure out what the limit is and stuff before we get Memorial Day weekend ticketed.
On GoPro even. Nice.
Yeah. You got your phone?
I got a phone. Here. Picture. I got you. Ready?
No.
Set.
Right behind you.
Bam. 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 Got it.
Watch out for all the hooks.
Boom, sucker.
That's right. That was the weirdest, like,
Yeah, I don't like that rig. So, we haven't really caught anything in this spot, so we're moving. And Tyler's pulling the anchor right now. And we're gonna see if we can't get into this other hole in the backside of this bridge. Cause that's kind of where we were catching last time, but pretty nice night. Nice calm, no rain finally. It's been wild with storms, so should be a pretty nice night.
ankles up.
What a fucking dick.
Maybe don't fish the main channel then, if you got a problem with it.
Trevor, we should go get his lines in the prop.
Shooting star. I saw the reflection on the
That
wall.
was green. A shooting star is green.
Did you get a bite, Kobe?
Yeah.
I thought they were just white.
Still or no?
He stopped, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn it. I think I fucked it up. I pulled it.
Oh,
Talking crud,
yeah.
I got the state record. Ah, bit.
You can't catch fish, can you?
is on it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, he's on there.
Biting even.
He's swimming towards you. Are you sure?
Wow, I got a bug on my eyelid. That's really cool.
They used to call me a catfish back in high school.
I'm gonna turn these lights on so you can see.
There you go.
Is that enough?
80 pounder.
That's not a 8-pounder.
Watch out, Marissa, watch out.
That's like a 5-pounder.
This is my first catfish out of Duck Creek.
Is it?
I think so.
It's ridiculous.
You just watch everyone else catching usually?
Look at that Hellcat action.
Oh, I missed him. Sorry, he dug right when I stuck it in.
Oh, no. Damn.
He smelled the net.
Landed him, boy.
You say he smelled the net?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna turn these lights off.
I don't know. I feel like we're going to need him for a minute.
I'm gonna break this net. Can't lift it with that.
Fish in the boat. Fish in the boat, boy. That's what I'm talking about, Dad.
Come on, you son of a fitch.
Yeah. Dude. Smack Trevor in the net. Yeah. Smack the rat.
No.
It's a nice fish, Kobe.
Thank you.
That's a nice fish, dude.
Dude, I was about to touch him.
No, he's not nice.
He's mean.
He's pretty mean.
Is he mad like a cat? You know, mad cat?
That's a Hellcat.
Yeah. Well, I got a mad cat right next to it, so it's a mad cat.
Go sting. Barb.
He thinks he's swimming, dude. He's just sliming.
Tyler, you want to bust up the stringer?
Nice one, boy.
Chompy boy.
You want to hold him up, Kobe? What do you think? 7, 8?
Off
Never
back
call him
there.
Chompy boy ever again.
Wow, I'm getting destroyed. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Boom.
Boom, sucker.
What?
They call
Is
me.
he, is it pregnant? Look at.
Oh yeah. 6 babies in there. No, he's got like a bluegill in there or something, I think.
His stomach just looks fucking weird.
Alright, we're
Like
getting
this?
dyed by bugs. Are you guys getting dyed by bugs yet?
Kind
That
of.
was fucking hilarious. I just Marissa said his stomach's weird. I said like this.
Alright.
If you could find a good spot back there to tie it off, that'd be cool. 'Cause
Yeah,
it
right
keeps
here.
getting wrapped around the anchor.
Can
5,000.
you grab that from in his mouth? Ow! Ow! Ow!
You can't see it.
Ow!
Why are you putting it through his gill?
Shit!
He
Yeah,
wants him
that's-
to die. That's true.
Those bugs are gnarly, dude.
Oh man! Why you bite? Oh!
Bite the rat.
Ow!
Bite that rat.
Ow!
Come on, bite that rat.
Just imagine if someone's
Ow!
listening to this unfold. Kobe's like, ow, and Marissa's like, bite the rat.
Bite him!
Come on now, bite that rat.
If you want, there's a
Giant rusty anchor?
black tie-off piece to the back of the boat.
Kobe, can I use some of this? Can I use some of your gill?
Yeah, I guess.
No, okay, fine, I won't.
What's that?
I said fine, I won't then.
No, you can't.
Can we turn the lights off now? Can we turn the green lights off now?
Say what?
Give me like 1
Those
minute before you turn them off.
lights are attracting the bugs.
I wish I would have put them on the outside. It would help a lot.
Were you cutting it on this thing?
Yeah.
I was cutting them on the bait bucket. That thing's like a cutting board. Oh. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, hooked up.
Kobe's hooked up again. Again, dude.
Oh, is he in the tree? No. You gonna net me, someone?
Yeah, I'm trying to quit it.
Where's that spotlight at, Ty?
I
That spotlight would be
bet
sick for
people
recording.
steadily snap off on these things. This one feels pretty decent.
I know
Dang.
it moved the boat more, that's for sure.
They're like, they feel a lot bigger than they are.
Yeah, I bet people break off on them all the time.
Oh yeah. They're popping 10-pound test if you don't have a lot of run and drag line.
And then they can freeze and stuff.
Damn.
Oh, those are the ones that are on the stringer.
Oh.
Come on, buddy.
He's a little bigger.
Damn it. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, they dodge the net every time.
Okay, up there. Oh.
Is that a fish?
Is that a flathead?
No. He's
No,
just a way
he's
bigger
just a
channel.
Bulldog.
Yeah,
He's got a massive head.
Hold on. I'm gonna press that.
It's a definitely bigger channel.
That's a fat bastard.
Yeah, that one's fun. Once this is sorted, then you should take your bait. I can grab that. You can take your bait. Come down here.
That's a good channel, man.
Yeah,
That's probably the biggest one I've seen out of here so far.
You guys are
Here,
gonna
do you
break
wanna
your
put this
shades.
net
Whoever's on
back
the
in
ground.
That's on mine.
Oh.
Alright. Dude, that's a fat channel.
Hold that. Yeah, I could wait on that one.
Say he's 12.
I like them big.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah,
like them
he's
chunky.
probably around there.
Dang, dude.
Alright, do you want to pull up that stringer?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Getting smacked up. Oh, there we go.
Kobe's hooked up again, dude.
Let's get it, dude.
Let's get it.
You hold this and then if yours gets signed again, then I'll...
Dang, boy. Kobe's just killing tonight.
I think he's got me in a tree.
Oh, here he comes.
Never mind. He's just heavy.
You caught a state record. That's a
Hope so.
state record, dude.
He feels pretty good, actually.
They're little bulldogs. Oh yeah. That's a fat one again.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta stick with it.
Alright, baby. Maybe hang her for a second, shake it off.
Don't shake it too much. You're playing with it.
That was the stick. I was just like, oh, I think he snapped the stick off too.
Did you actually get right there?
Yeah, I did.
Catch one, Marissa. What are you doing?
That frog sounds like a cat.
Man, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just catching all the fish. I feel so bad for you guys. I wish you would just catch one.
He's a chubby. I just want to pat, pat, pat his belly.
He's got a weird belly.
Oh, I'm doing the stringer, Trevor.
Kobe is hooked up again. Back to back, baby.
Oh, fuck. Okay, hold on. Just hold him there for a second. I'm gonna move this right out of the way.
Alright, try to cast as close to those trees as you
I
can.
can't. Because I'm setting your pole.
Trevor, keep that light over here.
What the hell?
It's just wrapped up like 1,000 times.
What the freak?
There goes
Okay,
my
I think
bait.
we're good. I think we're good.
Put that stupid goldfish off. I don't want that goldfish anymore.
You guys
I
cutting
would
them?
use the goldfish. They're a little bit more solid on the hook.
That was a goldfish.
Was it?
Are you guys cutting them open or what are you doing?
Can you press the slack on that and don't let it like bird nest? That's pretty good. Okay, Trevor.
You just see this one just flying the other way.
What's going on here? Oh, he's got me. Oh, I got somebody's fucking spinner bait.
Kobe, you're getting a bite on this orange pole.
Someone snapped off their spinner bait on this catfish.
No way.
Yeah.
That's badass.
I remember back when I used to snap off my spinner baits on fish. Why do I have no slack?
Oh. I see.
Try to like get it like before you cast, like swing it a little more than like snapping it.
Is the spinnerbait like recent?
Hard to say. Okay.
That's good. One over on that
My
side.
stuff's out of there now. I gotta take the spinner hook out.
Dang, dude.
Right.
That's probably that one that guy broke his line off on earlier.
No, that spinner's old.
He's probably much happier now.
I gotta get this weight out of the water. Holy shit.
He's trying to swim over here, Kobe.
I'm gonna beat his ass.
He's pissed at you.
Fall off the boat for clickbait.
Actually, I won.
Did you?
I win.
Did you?
I win.
What'd you win? What's the prize?
Well, I don't have to retie my gear.
Oh yeah.
Get up.
I got him.
Is it hooked up?
Yeah, on a tree.
Oh.
What is that?
That doesn't look like a catfish.
I don't know what
almost.
that is, but he's freaking pulling.
It's a freaking bass, dude.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
What the heck?
What the
This thing
frick?
is cruising, dude.
What is it?
I don't know. It's freaking cruising.
She's cruising, whatever it is.
He set the cruise control and said, fuck it. Damn.
Can't. There we go. Tyler, can you hold the camera? Hold the knife.
Dude, I haven't seen one fight like this. Holy shit. What the hell is that thing?
It's a walleye, dude.
It has to be.
No.
It's a catfish, I think.
He was freaking flying.
He's just pissed.
He was very mad.
Let's go.
Damn. Alright, bring it over to this side of the boat right here.
Maybe. Go under it.
Cover your rod.
Whoa.
Is it a fish or? I don't know. It might be the bottom.
I might be snagged.
Oh, come on, get out of there, motherfucker.
I might have a fish on, dude.
The boat's moving around.
Oh, come on.
We literally just breathing through all this shit. That was wild.
Netimus Maximus.
Oh, that's a fat one.
He's fat.
That's a nice one, dude. Damn. Look at his tail. Yeah,
Is
hit.
he wagging it? Now I'm starting to get curious what the regulations are.
We'll look him up. I just want to hold on to him so we
Well,
can
I've
get a
been
cool
trying to
picture.
look it up, but then we don't have service.
We'll get a cool picture of him all for our picture for our channel.
Fuck.
You should stop saying that, though.
What?
Me?
Yeah.
I can't. What the crap? What in the world?
Alright, now cast Marissa's rod back in that spot.
Then I can't catch a fish, dude.
Tyler says, "Oh, your rod," and it's about ready to come over the side. And I was like, "Oh, dang." Coyotes are
It's like
going
when my butt just tingles and it feels like there's a bunch of glitter moving around inside of it.
That's what you call glitter butt?
Yeah, I do it. I like to even think about that. This makes me feel all weird inside.
Just thinking like Mrs. Boyle.
Alrighty, guys, what we're gonna call it. It's probably about 1 o'clock in the morning, and we did pretty decent today. And Kobe caught the most fish. Tyler, did you catch some?
Got one.
Mercy didn't get any. It's alright though. But
For once.
well, it's a good little trip, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out. Yeah, you can keep one per person.
Honestly, I think we're good. We only got like one.